Combustible cigarette smoking has sharply declined over the past half-century with the increased awareness of the dangers posed by smoking and adoption of evidence-based strategies that we know work to effectively prevent and reduce tobacco product use. But in recent years, the tobacco product landscape has evolved to include a diverse array of new products, including electronic products such as e-cigarettes. Products that are easily concealed, that most parents would not even recognize as a device that their young people could use to consume nicotine. We already have enough science to tell us that youth use of e-cigarettes is unsafe, and even most of the e-cigarette advocates I talk to agree that youth use is a problem that should be addressed. We know that nicotine exposure during adolescence can uniquely harm the developing adolescent brain, impacting learning, memory, and attention. We know that exposure during this critical brain period can lead to further addictions. And we know that the notion that e-cigarette aerosol is harmless water vapor, something even my 14-year-old son thought was true, is a myth. Although e-cigs generally contain fewer toxicants than combustible tobacco products, they can expose users to harmful chemicals in addition to nicotine. Less harm does not mean harm less. Studies show youth, like my son, have no clue what's in these products most of the time. And shockingly, at least to me as a parent, a third of youth who've ever used e-cigarettes have used marijuana in them. Yet 2 years after my predecessor sounded the alarm bells, e-cigarette use has skyrocketed. So much so today that I am officially declaring e-cigarette use among youth an epidemic in the United States. We're far too often in health and in public health late to the game. But now is the time to take action. We need to protect our young people from all tobacco products, including e-cigarettes. We already have a half-century of science showing us evidence-based strategies that work to prevent youth tobacco use. However, the times have changed, and so must we. It's critical that we now apply these proven strategies to e-cigarettes, including USB flash drive-shaped products such as Juul, the product I just showed you.